Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So there's a new gas station downtown Kingston right here. We're gonna take some look on the construction. It's still in its early phases. So that's a new gas station right in downtown Kingston. It's fully zinced off, so we can't see much from the ground. So as usual, it's gonna be a drone video, so you guys stay tuned for some drone shots for that new gas station downtown. Alright, so we're downtown Kingston. It's right at the intersection of Arbor Street and Pecan Street. That's where the gas station is located. Down there is Waterfront. We have the Digital building, which started the, what would you say, it started a big turnaround in downtown in terms of development, in terms of construction booths, and we have a lot of companies and different entities taking root in downtown Kingston. So this is the gas station over here. So it seems to be a gas station and a mini mart. I think over here was a old train station. If you guys know, can let me know. I think this was the old train station. Then down this side we have roads leading to the markets, downtown markets, Coronation markets. Alright, so as usual, remember to subscribe, remember to like, remember to comment. Let me know what you think about this location as well. Let me know what you think about this development. And remember, the best way or the easiest way to support the channel is by subscribing. Subscribing is completely free. We're also currently on the complex of another development as well, done by Issa Construction. It will be the office of a major company, Beryllium. So I'll do a separate video to highlight the renovation of the building that I'm standing on right here in downtown Kingston as well. But for this video, it's all about the new gas station downtown Kingston. Showing you some drone shots of downtown Kingston as well, so you guys definitely stay tuned for that. I'm not sure which company gas station this is though. So when this gas, well, a truck was passing, so when this gas station is finished, we'll see which company operates it. So I'm not sure which company at the moment, but if you guys know, feel free to let me know in the comment sections just the same. And as usual, it's a drone video, so we'll send up the drone for sure. So you guys definitely stay tuned for that.